Buddy, say hi. Buddy, say hi. There's my big buddy. Okay, so yesterday you all seemed to have the same question, and it was, how do we log in and how do we find the assignments? Today you all seem to have the same question, so I'm just going to try to answer it in one fell swoop. The question is, Mrs. Bonner, are these going to be the only assignments, or are you going to add more? Or are we really going to go back to school April 6th? Or was the president right and we're not going to go back until August? Or, let's see, what was another rendition of it? They're the same questions from a number of you. And I totally understand them. They're excellent questions. But the reality is, I can't give an answer to any of them because I don't know. I assure you this, as soon as we find out something that is definite, then we'll let you know immediately, because I know that it's always frustrating to not know what's coming. But the reality is that's where we start to use our faith. And we do the next right thing that is set before us, and we remain vigilant in what we can do and not fearful about what we cannot do. So as far as I know, yes, we are going back to school April 6th. Could that change? Absolutely. As far as I know, your work that I've already assigned is the work that I'm asking you to do for the duration of these 2 weeks. And it definitely is heavier for the 9th through 12th grade than it is for the 7th and 8th. But that's because not all the 7th and 8th are used to working on the computer either. Some of them are just learning how to type in their keyboarding class. And then the next question is, will this continue on? I have no idea. But I do know that when we know, we will let you know. And in the meantime, we're praying for you, and we're hoping that you're learning and thriving and making the best of this situation. So I hope that was helpful. Please feel free to email or to text me from 9 till 2 today, and I'll do my best to answer all of your questions. Thanks.